A cadence is a pair of triads that is placed at the end of a phrase in a musical composition. The triads in a keyboard-style cadence are written with a close position triad in the treble clef and the root repeated in the bass clef. Chorale-style cadences are written in short score. The lower two notes are placed in the bass staff and the upper two in the treble. The stem goes up for the upper notes on each staff, that's the soprano and tenor parts, and down for the lower notes, so that would be the alto and bass. An authentic cadence is created with a dominant triad followed by a tonic triad. A half cadence is created when the order of the chords in the authentic cadence is reversed, so a tonic triad followed by a dominant triad. A half cadence can also be created with a subdominant triad followed by a dominant triad. A plagal cadence is created with a subdominant triad followed by a tonic triad. Here's a summary of the different types of cadences. We've already learned that we can identify cadence by determining the key and the scale degree of the bass notes. See how these bass note pairs in B-flat major indicate the cadence. The first is a dominant and a tonic, which would indicate an authentic cadence. Then we have a subdominant and tonic, which tells us that it's a plagal cadence. Next, a tonic and dominant, which indicates a half cadence. And finally, a subdominant and dominant for another half cadence. Occasionally, the key is not obvious, which makes it hard to identify the scale degree of the bass notes. Here's an example. With no raised leading note, this key appears to be D major. However, the bass notes would be the supertonic and submediant, which doesn't indicate any cadence. In B minor, the bass notes are the subdominant and tonic, which do indicate a cadence. So the key is B minor and the cadence is plagal.